Hello everyone, hope you all are well, and today I am here with my new video, and this video is upon very interesting thing, and it is on food and its component. Okay, we all like food. Without food we can't survive. We all know that food is very much essential thing for our life. Okay, and first of all, we all know that what is food? Okay, food है क्या? देखिए, food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. Okay, that means food is provide us nutritional support for any of organism. Each and every living beings require food, and without food no one can survive. And next we have to know that what is the function of food. Okay, look at here, what is the function of food. At number one, it provide us energy and maintain the body temperature and to do work. Okay, it means that it maintain our body temperature. जो हमारे बॉडी का टेम्परेचर है वो मेंटेन होता है, और साथ साथ क्या करते हैं फूड, हम लोगों को वर्क करने के लिए एनर्जी भी देते हैं. ओके, and it helps us in repairing and replacing the damaged cell and tissue. Here is very interesting thing. Here is repairing and replacing. Means sometime it's happened that we have wound, and that time that wound is healed by our food, and because food help in the growth of tissue, and that tissue helping to healing the wound. Okay, and next is it make new material necessary for growth and reproduction. ठीक है, ये नया मटेरियल हमारे लिए बनाते हैं, जैसे हमारे लिए न्यू सेल्स बना रहे हैं, न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. ओके, and next is it help us to keep the body healthy. That means all the things is inside our food जो हमारे बॉडी को क्या कर रहे हैं, हेल्दी बना के रखने में हेल्प कर रहे हैं. ओके, and next is it one is important term is here. It is nutrition. What is nutrition? The process of obtaining food necessary for good health and the growth is called nutrition. Okay, it is a process of taking food. Okay, and that type of food which is very important for good health and our growth. Okay, and here is we have studied that what is the function of our food. But एक बहुत important चीज ये सारे फंक्शन हमारे फूड कर कैसे पाता है क्या इसमें ऐसा खास हमारे फूड में, तो हम लोगों को तो जानना है क्या खास. ओके, द मेन कंपोनेंट ऑफ फूड आर कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट, प्रोटीन, विटामिन and minerals. Okay, these are very important components of food. What are carbohydrate, fat, vitamin and minerals, and these are called nutrient. Okay, collectively we called all this component nutrient. Okay, that means carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, these all are called nutrient, and with the help of these nutrients we can become ourselves healthy. That means we are healthy just because of nutrient, and these nutrients provide us energy. These nutrients heal our wound. These nutrients repair our cells. These nutrients help in reproduction, and these nutrients help in our healthy to maintaining our body healthy. Okay, in addition to these, dietary fibers and water are also essential for maintaining the life process in human beings. Okay, see, Yeah. In addition to these important nutrients, some dietary fibers and water is also important for our life. Okay, and this maintain the life process of human beings. Here is written life process. What is the meaning of life process? Life process is nothing the processes or the activities which done by our body to live, or we can say that alive us in this world. Okay, that type of process we call a life process, and the life process like digestion, respiration, excretion, these all we call the life process. Okay, now we see that what are the component of food and water, it's important. Okay, see, here is first one is carbohydrate, fat, then protein, after that vitamin and minerals. Okay, these are the 5 important component of food, and for remembering it, it's a very simple method. Okay, how many fingers in your one hand? You all know that you have 5 fingers in your one hand, and these 5 fingers denote your 5 component of food. Okay, first one is carbohydrate, second fat, third protein, then vitamin, and last one is minerals. Okay, and these are very much important, that carbohydrate and fat are called energy giving foods. Okay, and these are giving us huge amount of energy to our body, and very much important for this food item, food component in our body. Okay, and the second one is bodybuilding food. It's a very much interesting. It's a help in the build our body. Okay, it help in build our body. That means you can ask that when you are in nursery, your height will be shorter, and now when you are in larger class, maybe you are in 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, when you have gone in that class, your height increase. And why this height increase? Just because of this protein, and it is also called body building food. Okay, and the third one is vitamin and fourth one is vitamin and fifth one is mineral, and these both are called protective food. Okay, because it protect from the different type of diseases and also help in healing our wound. Okay, and now we discuss about carbohydrate, and the carbohydrate is also known as energy giving food. We all know that carbohydrate are the main and the cheapest source of energy. Okay, for our body, हमारे बॉडी के लिए सबसे cheapest source है क्या हमारे energy का. So it is also called energy giving food. Okay, why we are calling energy giving food, you have understood? Because it is the cheapest source of energy, understood, for our body. And now we know that from where we can get this carbohydrate. We can get this carbohydrate from potato, rice, sugarcane, mango, papaya, maize, sweet potato, etc. And so many things are there. So many food items are there where in which that the carbohydrate is found. Okay. And the next important thing is what is carbohydrate? Carbohydrate are the compound made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, that means these carbohydrate is a mixture of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. This means these three elements are we found in carbohydrate. Okay. And next is there are three type of carbohydrate. Okay. How many types are there? Three types. First one is sugar. Second one is starch. And third is cellulose. Okay. First one is what? Sugar. Then starch. And then it is cellulose. Now we discuss about the type of carbohydrate. What are the three type of carbohydrate we have seen, and we have to discuss about these three. Okay, first one is sugar. Sugar is what? It is a simple carbohydrate having sweet taste. What type of taste? It is sweet, means मीठा इसका स्वाद रहेगा. Okay, and these are soluble in water. That means ये क्या हो सकता है? Water में घुल सकता है, dissolve हो सकता है. Okay, and the example is, what are the example? Banana, apple, grapes, etc. are the example of sugar. Okay, and the next type of carbohydrate is starch. It is a complex type of carbohydrate. Starch is a tasteless and odorless. Tasteless means no taste is there. Okay, and the odorless means no smell we find here. किसी तरह का कोई भी स्मेल नहीं रहेगा. और कैसा रहेगा? ये white powder की तरह. Okay, that means the starch is what type of it is tasteless, odorless, okay, and white powder. Okay, and it is insoluble in water. See, it is very strange. It is not dissolved in water. Okay, and examples are wheat, rice, maize, potato, etc. And next one is cellulose. Cellulose is also a complex carbohydrate, and it is tasteless and white powdery material. And the cellulose present in plant cell. Okay, plant cell wall. Plant cell wall. Okay, and wood, cotton, etc. प्लांट के सेल वॉल में ये प्रेजेंट रहेगा, वुड में, कॉटन में, और भी मटेरियल में हमारे क्या रहेगा? सेलुलोज रहेगा. ओके, दीज आर ऑल थ्री टाइप ऑफ carbohydrate we have discussed here. First one, sugar, starch, and cellulose. And now we are going to look the very interesting thing. First is test of starch. Okay, how can we find that any of food item have starch? अब कैसे find out करेंगे हम लोग? किसी food item में starch है, ये तो हम लोग को find out करना है ना. तो उसके लिए find out करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We have to take a test tube. एक test tube लेंगे, उसमें फूड सैंपल्स, ठीक है, जिस फूड को हम लोगों को टेस्ट करना है कि इसमें आपका स्टार्च है या नहीं, वो फूड सैंपल हम इसमें ले लेंगे. ओके, एंड देन वी पोर आयोडीन इन इट. उसमें क्या डालेंगे? पोर क्या करेंगे? डालेंगे क्या? आयोडीन डालेंगे. ठीक है, अब ये आयोडीन डालने से क्या होगा कि ये जो हमारा फूड सैंपल्स है वो टर्न कैसा हो जाएगा? ब्लू ब्लैक कलर में. ठीक है, ये टर्न हो जाएगा ब्लू ब्लैक कलर में, और ये ब्लू ब्लैक कलर ही क्या करता है? शो करता है कि हमारे फूड में स्टार्च है. ओके, ये हमारा क्या शो करेगा? ब्लू ब्लैक कलर शो कर रहा है कि हमारे फूड में स्टार्च है. अंडरस्टूड? तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया? टेस्ट ऑफ स्टार्च. इस तरह से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? स्टार्च टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. कैसे टेस्ट करेंगे? एक तो हम लोग टेस्ट ट्यूब में फूड सैंपल लेंगे, एंड देन उस फूड सैंपल में आयोडीन डालेंगे. ठीक है, आयोडीन डालने से हमारा जो फूड सैंपल है थोड़े टाइम में क्या हो जाएगा? वो उसका कलर चेंज हो जाएगा, एंड इट गिव्स अस ब्लू ब्लैक कलर, एंड दैट इज द symbol of presence of starch in food. Okay? Understood all of you? Now we see about the next type of food nutrient, and it is fat. And fat is also similar to our carbohydrate. It also called energy giving food. Okay? Fat are also energy giving food like carbohydrate. Fat on digestion produce more energy than carbohydrate. Okay, that means after digestion it gives us more energy than carbohydrate, and our body store the excess energy in the form of fat. जो भी हमारा एक्सेस एनर्जी होता है ना, ज्यादा एनर्जी कुछ हो गया तो वो क्या होता है, फैट के फॉर्म में हमारे बॉडी में स्टोर हो जाता है. ओके, दिस स्टोर फैट इज यूज बाय the body for producing energy when it required. जब भी जरूरत होता है तो क्या होता है, हम लोग यही स्टोर एनर्जी को यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज वे द फैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज बैंक इन आवर बॉडी. Okay, energy bank. Understood what type of bank it is? It is energy bank of our body. Understood what type of bank it is? Energy bank of our body. And now we look the example. Example is butter, milk, ghee, cream, meat, etc. And next is the very important thing of fat. It is excess fat in the food get deposited in our body. जो भी excess food होता है, food में जो fat होता है वो हमारा क्या होता है, deposit हो जाता है, हमारे body में जमा हो जाता है. Okay, the small quantity of food is deposited in our body, provide the cushion to body organ and protect them फ्रॉम इंजरी. हमारे बहुत सारे क्या होते हैं, इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स हैं. इंटरनल ऑर्गन जैसे हमारे पास किडनी है, लिवर है, लंग है, और इन ये मस्कुलर ऑर्गन्स हैं. इनके सराउंडिंग्स में क्या होते हैं, जो फैट के कुशंस होते हैं, फैट जमा होते हैं. ठीक है, और इस फैट से क्या होता है, हमारे जो ऑर्गन्स हैं वो प्रोटेक्टेड रहते हैं, उनको किसी तरह का कोई इंजरी नहीं होता है. ओके, and next is it also prevent us loss from our body surface. हमारे बॉडी सरफेस से जो हीट है वो निकलने नहीं देते. आप लोग को पता है जो हमारे जो पोलर बियर हैं, पेंगुइन्स हैं, दे आर लिविंग इन पोलर रीजन एंड दे हैव थिक फैट ऑन देयर अंडर द स्किन. ओके, एंड दीज थिक फैट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम cold. Okay, but too much fat deposit in our body lead obesity. But it is very dangerous thing. अगर हम लोग क्या कि बहुत ज्यादा फैटी फूड लेते हैं तो हम लोग को क्या हो जाएगा, ओबेसिटी मीन्स हम लोग क्या होंगे, मोटे हो जाएंगे. ओके, and it gives flavor and taste to our food. Oh, it's make our food yummy. Okay, and next is it is essential for the absorption of vitamin A, D, E and K in body. See, our body absorb this vitamin A, D, E, K with the help of fat. Understood? And this is all about our fat. Okay, and now we have to look the test of fat. अब किसी सब्सटेंस में फैट है, इसको टेस्ट करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं. ओके, वी कैन डू वेरी सिंपल एक्टिविटी. ओके, एनी ऑफ फूड आइटम विच वी वांट टू टेस्ट देयर फैट, वी कैन कीप इट इन पेपर. ओके, एनी टाइप ऑफ पेपर, एंड व्हेन वी कीप इट in paper for some time, and when we remove this food item from paper, we see that that paper turn into translucent. कैसा हो जाएगा, वो ट्रांसल्यूलेंट ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया. ठीक है, और ये क्या साइन करता है कि उसमें क्या है, फैट है. अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर एनर्जी गिविंग फूड. Okay, in this video we have to study till here, and next video we will discuss the another type of component of food. Okay, till then, bye, and all of you like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.